Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so the add-on spoilers are up for the June Ipsy bag or box, whichever one you get. Now, of course, you do know that Ipsy teamed up with Tetris, the game, for the month of June, and I think it's really cool. The theme is a block party. It's a really amazing game. The Tetris game is their 35th anniversary, so they teamed up, they made palettes together and all kinds of stuff, and I think it's really, really cute. When they send you your email showing your spoilers, the add-ons are right up under where your spoilers are, and you can add them to your bag and they will ship out with your bag. It's free shipping, and you are allowed to get up to 3 items each month. And of course, this is going on. It's going to be going on for 24 hours. And it's products that are the spoilers that are going out in bags and the boxes for that month. Now, you could get the deluxe sample sized products at $3 or the full-sized products at $12. And I'm just showing the spoilers up here as I speak because there's just so many of them that I just cannot tell you every product. So I'm just putting them up here for you guys to see. And again, there are so many of them. And I will also link the standard bag. I will link their full spoilers and also GlamBag Plus for June. I will link all those spoilers down below as soon as I get these videos out. I'm doing all 3 of these videos today. So according to whenever I got them out, that's what's going to be linked below. But by the end of the day, everything's going to be linked, so you could go and just check out the other bag, the other box, whatever you want to do, and get ready for July, guys, because it is coming. So always make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every single video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, guys, rate the video for me if you would. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me which videos you are enjoying and which ones I need to adjust just for you guys. And also, guys, one more tiny favor before you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.